Have you ever dreamed of creating an influencer who doesn't need coffee, doesn't complain about long hours, and will gladly promote your product all day, every day? Welcome to the future AI influencers. These digital personalities are taking the internet by storm, racking up brand deals, hosting live streams, and collecting millions of followers. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard to create your own. Whether you're a business looking for the perfect digital brand ambassador or just someone who thinks making an AI celebrity sounds cool, we've got you covered. Ready to create your very own AI influencer? Let's break it down into 10 easy and surprisingly fun steps. Step 1. Decide on your AI influencer's purpose. Before you start building your AI influencer, ask yourself, what's their goal? Are they going to be a brand ambassador, a fitness guru, a lifestyle vlogger, or maybe the next virtual fashion icon? Knowing your influencer's purpose will guide every decision you make, from their appearance to their personality. Let's say you want to create an AI influencer for a fashion brand. You'll want them to be stylish, trendy, and know everything about the latest runway collections. Or maybe you want them to promote fitness and health products. Your influencer will need to be energetic, motivational, and in tip-top digital shape. Think of your AI influencer like a character in a movie. The clearer their role is, the easier it will be to build their personality and content. Step 2. Choose your AI influencer's look. Here's where things get fun. What will your AI influencer look like? Will they be sleek and futuristic or cute and cartoonish? You can go for ultra-realistic or something that's obviously digital. Totally up to you. Think of them as a blank canvas where you can design their look from head to toe. Maybe you want them to have neon-colored hair, futuristic sunglasses, or a minimalist wardrobe that screams high fashion. Or you could go with something quirky like an AI influencer who wears a different hat in every post. Your call. Tools like Blender, Daz 3D, or Unity are great for designing your AI influencer's 3D look. Don't worry, if you're not a 3D artist, there are plenty of templates to help you out. Step 3. Define their personality. Now that your AI influencer has a face, and maybe a killer outfit, it's time to give them a personality. Are they funny, super serious, outgoing and bubbly, or calm and introspective? Their personality will dictate how they interact with their audience and what type of content they create. If your AI influencer is a motivational coach, they should be encouraging, positive, and always pushing their followers to achieve their goals. If they're more of a fashionista, they might be chic and slightly aloof with a taste for the finer things in life. Your influencer's personality should align with the audience you're targeting. Want to appeal to Gen Z? Go for funny, witty, and relatable, targeting a professional audience. Aim for polished and informative. Step 4. Choose their platforms. Now that you have your influencer's look and personality, where will they live online? Are they going to be an Instagram star, a TikTok sensation, or maybe a YouTube blogger? Different platforms have different vibes, so pick the one or ones that best fit your influencer's purpose. If your AI influencer is all about fashion, Instagram is a must. But if they're more into entertaining, TikTok or YouTube might be the way to go. For long-form content like tutorials, YouTube's your best bet. You don't need to be on every platform, but having a presence on at least 2 can help you reach a broader audience. Instagram and TikTok pair well for visual and short-form content, while YouTube is perfect for in-depth, engaging videos. Step 5. Build their backstory. Even though your AI influencer isn't real, they still need a backstory. Where did they come from? What are their passions? Do they have any quirky habits or fun facts? A good backstory makes your AI influencer feel more relatable and helps them connect with their audience. Maybe your AI influencer is a world-traveling fashionista who's obsessed with trying new styles from different cultures. Or they could be a fitness trainer who's always looking for the next big workout trend. You don't have to go overboard with their backstory, but having a few key details can make them more interesting and authentic. Remember, even though they're AI, people still want to connect with something about them. Step 6. Give them a voice. How does your AI influencer communicate? Is their tone casual and fun, or more professional and informative? This voice is going to be super important in how they interact with their audience. A bubbly beauty vlogger might use lots of emojis and slang, while a tech-savvy AI influencer could be more straightforward and serious. Your influencer's voice should match their personality and the audience they're talking to. Consistency is key. If your influencer is quirky and funny, make sure that tone is carried across all posts and videos. If they're polished and sleek, keep that professional tone in their captions and content. Step 7. Create engaging content. Now for the fun part, making content. AI influencers can do anything from posting photos and videos to hosting live streams and creating tutorials. Your content should match your influencer's purpose and platform. If they're on Instagram, you'll want high-quality images and short reels. For YouTube, think longer videos with a clear theme. A fashion influencer could post weekly style tips, showcase different outfits, or even share behind-the-scenes looks at virtual runway shows. Meanwhile, a fitness influencer might share workout videos, nutrition tips, and motivational quotes. Use tools like Synthesia or Replica to help generate videos and content for your AI influencer. There are also apps like Amper Music to create custom soundtracks for your content, making it even more engaging. Step 8. Interact with the audience. One of the coolest things about AI influencers is that they can interact with followers just like human influencers do. Use AI-powered chatbots or social media management tools to help your influencer respond to comments, answer questions, and even host Quanda sessions. Your AI influencer could post an Instagram story asking followers what they want to see next, or respond to comments on TikTok with a quirky, on-brand reply. You can even program your AI influencer to engage with followers in real time during live streams. Keep the interactions light and on-brand. This helps build a sense of authenticity, even though they're not real, and keeps the audience engaged. Step 9. Partner with brands. Here's where the money comes in. Once your AI influencer has built up a following, it's time to start partnering with brands. Brands are looking for influencers who align with their values, style, and audience. And AI influencers are no exception. You can land sponsorships, affiliate deals, or even launch branded products. A beauty-focused AI influencer could partner with makeup brands to showcase their latest products, while a tech-focused influencer might promote the newest gadgets. And because AI influencers can create content faster than any human, brands love how efficient they are. Start by reaching out to small brands in your niche. As your influencer grows, you can aim for bigger and more lucrative partnerships. Platforms like Aspire IQ or Upfluence can help you connect with potential sponsors. Step 10. Monetize, monetize, monetize. Now that your AI influencer is up and running, it's time to start cashing in. Beyond brand partnerships, there are several ways to monetize your AI influencer. You can sell merch, offer exclusive content on platforms like Patreon, or even launch a subscription service where fans get special access to your influencer's content. Your AI fitness influencer could sell workout gear or offer paid subscriptions for personalized workout plans. Or if you're running a fashion influencer, you could create a line of digital clothing for your followers to use on their avatars. Keep expanding your revenue streams. The beauty of AI influencers is that they don't need time off, so you can keep pumping out content, collaborations, and products around the clock. Bonus step: keep innovating. The AI world is constantly evolving, and that means your influencer can too. Keep an eye on new tech and trends like augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, that can take your AI influencer to the next level. Maybe one day they'll even be able to step out of the screen and into the real world. Well, virtually at least. Imagine hosting virtual meet and greets with your AI influencer using VR, where fans can hang out with them in a fully immersive environment. Or you could create AR filters that let users try on your AI influencer's favorite outfits. Stay ahead of the curve by constantly innovating. The AI world is limitless, and the more creative you get, the more ways you'll find to stand out and monetize. You did it! And there you have it. In just 10 steps, you've gone from having an idea to creating your very own AI influencer. Whether they're strutting down virtual runways, hosting live streams, or posting workout tips, your AI influencer is now a full-fledged digital celebrity. The best part? You control every aspect of their brand, from their look to their interactions, and the possibilities for making money are endless. So go ahead, start building your AI influencer empire. Who knows, maybe one day your digital creation will be more famous than you. Now excuse me while I go build my AI influencer to convince me to stop eating cookies during work breaks. Wish me luck.